Hi everyone, welcome to Meanwhile in the Netherlands. Today I'm going to make a simple lunch, a thing they called PokeBowl. It has rice, corn, carrot, zucchini, homegrown cucumber, onion and chicken mince. So let's get straight to it. I'm gonna slice all the carrot, zucchini and cucumber into small parts so we can put them over the rice, and later I'm going to fry the chicken mince. Here we go. Zucchini all sliced. The first and only cucumber I get from my own little vegetable garden. That's it for the slicing. Sip of water. It's also hot here in the Netherlands today, 27 to 30 degrees. So have to hydrate a lot and drink. Going to cut the onion. All done. So now let's fry the chicken. Got some chicken mince. Gonna put some pepper. Bit of salt. And some soy sauce. To give it a bit of color. Mix it up. Don't want to do this with my hands because chicken mince is very sticky. I preheated cast iron skillet. So now let's fry the chicken. It's done, put it on low. So it can cook through. Then we'll do the rice. Just a little bit of seasoning. A little bit of mirin. A little bit sweet, icing sugar, combine it, put it in the PokeBowl. Then we put in the vegetables. just like that. So now it looks like this. And then we put the final touches. We make a sauce. Again, a little bit mirin. A little bit oil, rice oil, sesame oil, soy sauce, little bit homemade sambal, almost finished. And final touch, mango mayo. Mix it all up. To make it come together. Put in some sesame seeds. Pour it over the vegetables. And here we have the chicken mince. Pile it on top. And there it is. Lunch is served within 15 minutes.